Hey guys, I'm back and want to give you a walk around the boat, and then we're going to go inside and take a look at it and see everything I have. And I have everything on there except my food. So let's take a walk around and let me show you what I got. Two big windows. The back of the pontoon. 60 horse Mercury command thrust. That should get me anywhere I want to go on the river. Got a brand new sensor right there for my fish finder. Gives me my depth and my sonar. That's the back, and if you guys remember, there's a vinyl cover that goes over that. Pretty cool. Two more big windows on the port side. We go around to the front. I have two lights right up there. One there and one over there on that side. Big fog lights. I also have a horn up in this corner. It's not very loud. It's like a wimpy little horn. Nobody will ever be able to hear it, but at least I have it. Let's go inside. What this thing is trolling motor holder. My trolling motor will fit in there, and it plugs in right there. And when we had it out on the lake this morning, it turned the boat real good and made it go forward. Not real fast, but I think it'll be work really well for when I'm in these coves fishing. And of course, there's a trolling motor. I do have a ladder. I am going to have to mount it later because my trailer's in the way. So I'll do that out on the river. And then this here is a tote. Has two gas cans in it, full of gas. I'm hoping I don't need them. There they are. It is broke right here. I'm going to have to put some tape on that, I think. And then in this I have a propane tank. And then my anchor's right behind it. I have two fishing rod holders. And then my navigational lights, red and green on both sides, and they work. My logo, which is vinyl, cost me $30 to put on there. I do have a window right here, but I wanted to put that black vinyl up because when I took it to the lake, insects, flies, and different things got in the screen. If you can see them here, I don't know if you can, but there's some insects that's on there. So I'm going to put covers over both these windows when we're going down the road. And then it makes good cover at night so nobody can see in what's going on. Let's take a look at the inside. This is a lock that I have, but I'm going to change it out to a barrel lock. It's just harder to cut through if anybody wants in here. But, I mean, if somebody wants in here bad enough, they're just going to rip through the screen. And they better hope I don't catch them because I will shoot and kill. So, this is the inside here. I have my hook up here. And the two white things are some PVC pipes that I made that's got rope going through it that I can tie off to a log or something. I've got my dive flag there, or swimming flag. And then this is the front of the boat, which is the bow. I got my cooking station there, propane gas stove, pots and pans. And I'm going to put a couple more pans on here, I think. But everything that I like to eat, we should be able to cook in these two pans. I have a 30-gallon tank right behind it with a shower right there that I'll take video later, show you guys how I'm going to take a shower out on the river. Back behind it here I have a coffee pot. I have to have coffee in the morning. Some little drawers and cups and my coffee, and I have everything except food. Paper towel holder, which I may have to move later because the wind just unrolls it. some different things down here, storage, tools, my throwable battery back there. I got some utensils hanging up here. I've also got some in the bottom drawers. This is my controller, my inverter, to plug things in and stuff like that. And I have my fishing poles up front here on top. Now, one of them did fall. The blue one did fall when I was traveling down the road, but when I was on the water, they worked real well. And I might move that and change it up later. Over here on the port side, I have some rubber boots right here. One cooler. I thought about taking 2 coolers, but I think one's going to do me. I'll just keep it filled with ice, and I've been doing it for 30 years, so I might as well just keep doing it. Curtains. Now, when I was on the water, these things kind of got in the way, so I may have to take them down when I'm on the river, but then somehow pin them up or rope them up or something at night so nobody can see in. I got a cabinet here that I can fill with whatever. I got some things in it, my guitar books, and got a guitar right here and a fan on the bottom. And then we go to the middle. I got a pole right here that's just going to be filled up with stuff. Binoculars and hats and scuba stuff and coats. And then I have my electronics right here. My bed. Got 4 inches of padding on it, so I think it's going to sleep well. It slept well when I had it in the truck and I went to Florida. So I think it's going to work real well for me here. I mounted my VHF radio right here. I have my iPad right here that's going to have Navonics on it, so it'll keep me down the river safe. Let's see. My phone, my brand new fish finder, sonar, Humminbird fish finder there. This is just all the controls. Underneath here will be my personal stuff. Just my personal stuff. I do have video on the boat. Cameras. You ain't gonna know where they're at, but anybody comes in here and they will be caught. Period. And y'all better hope that the police catches you before I do, because I have no problem shooting you. Okay, now in the back here I've got a tote that's just got a bunch of fishing stuff, ropes and knives and different things like that. Same way here, I just got some 3 drawers here. It's got socks and underwear and stuff like that in it. Back here in the back I have my propane heater, toilet, and fishing tackle box. I have a chair, foldable chair right here. Underneath the bed I'm going to have clothes. I've got a couple containers. I'm going to have some bags. If the floor gets wet, I'll have to keep the bags up off the floor and everything, but this is it. This is going to be home for a couple of months. And I'm so excited. I took it out this morning and it floated so well. Alright, hey guys, it's getting close. This is Tuesday, 9/11, and I'm leaving Sunday. I may stay in the marina Sunday night, get an early start Monday, but I'm so excited I can't really stand it. I'm just so happy the boat floats the right way. I'm going Friday night and picking up the food and everything I'm going to need from Walmart and just different things, toilet paper, paper towels, and some baggies and just some food. Getting some fish meal, oil, because I plan on eating whatever I catch. And man, it's getting close. Pretty cool. Hey, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. And leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me if I need to change something real quick, or leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this idea. If I'm nuts or if I'm going to have a good time. What do you guys think? Alright, thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you on the river.